In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Locket Widget not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your Locket Widget app is updated to the latest version. So let's just go to the App Store and search for Locket Widget. Now from here, you want to make sure that there is no update available. So if you see an update button right there, you might as well need to update your app first. The next thing you want to do after updating is simply go to your phone settings. From here, scroll down to your general settings. Now select iPhone storage. And from here, simply search for your Locket Widget app. Now, from here, simply tap on Offload App. So this will free up storage for your apps and hopefully fix the bugs from the app. After offloading, simply tap on Reinstall App and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.